living in the Arctic amongst the Inuit people, I've learned about breaking open the bones and harvesting that good stuff right there. That is the bone marrow, and I'm going to cook that up with some of the meat. Another traditional way actually is to set the bone marrow out to the side, which they sometimes refer to like butter, the meat over to the other side, and then add a little bowl of soy sauce, dip the meat into the soy sauce, add a little bone marrow, and it all goes into your mouth for a nice delicacy.